First, we will install SQL Server Express Edition. It is a free edition of SQL Server. Ideal for development and production for desktop, web, and small server applications. Then we will install SQL Server Management Studio. It is a powerful tool for database administrators and developers, providing a user-friendly interface to perform various tasks like managing database, querying data efficiently. Open browser and search for SQL Server 2022 or click link given in the description. Click Download. Go to Express Edition and click Download Now. As I mentioned earlier, it's a free edition. Click Downloaded File to install SQL Server. Select Basic Installation Type. Read the terms and click Accept. In this step, we get option to change install directory. If your C drive is running out of space, you can change it to another drive. Click Install. We have successfully installed SQL Server. You can see details like connection string, version here. You can copy these details. Click Connect Now. It shows we are now successfully connected to the database. Close this window. Click Install SSMS to download and install SQL Server Management Studio. It will take you to Microsoft's official page to download SSMS. Click Download. Open downloaded file to install SSMS. Here again, you can change the install directory if you want. Click Install. We have successfully installed SSMS. Let's close both the windows and open SSMS. Go to Windows and search for SQL Server Management Studio. In this window, we can see the SQL Server connection details. Do not change anything. Only change encryption from mandatory to optional. Click Connect. On the left side of SSMS there is Object Explorer. Click the Home instance to see the objects under it. Click New Query to create new database test DB. Click Execute. Query executed successfully. Let's refresh Object Explorer to check new database we created. We can see test DB. We have completed SQL Server and SSMS installation. If you face any kind of error while following steps, please mention error details in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and like Facebook page.